guys, welcome back to my channel. तुमची मराठी मुलगी is back with a new episode. Thumbnail देखकर आपको तो पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये vlog किस बारे में होने वाला है. सारे औरतों की पसंद, all the females, all the girls just love this one traditional outfit called sari. Sari love doesn't go out of fashion ever, and I am here with Sari haul this time for the first time ever. Even I am experimenting with saris. I love saris. Recently मेरी शादी हुई है, so I have actually gotten into saris so much that every function मुझे साड़ी पहननी पड़ती है, साड़ी खरीदनी पड़ती है. कुछ ना कुछ फंक्शन हो, नई दुल्हन है तो नई साड़ी लेनी पड़ेगी. So मेरी शॉपिंग तो चलती रहेगी. I have bought a few good collection of sarees from Myntra, right from traditional to party wear, covers all of them. So I hope you love the vlog and keep watching till the end of the vlog to just know how I have styled all the sarees from the traditional wear to the party wear. ये साड़ियाँ किसी भी एज ग्रुप के लोग पहन सकते हैं. This is not confined to any age group and also look elegant, ethnic and chic at the same time. This is the first sari. This color is teal blue and it's machine embroidered with scallop borders and cut work to the sari. It gives beautiful elegant look. You can pair this with your white shirt, you can make it into western. Also they have given satin blouse piece with this sari. You can stitch this blouse with half stand collar. You can get a nice strong power woman look in this blouse, which is satin blouse. And overall I love the sari. The material of the sari is organza. बहुत ही लाइट वेट साड़ी है ये आणि ह्याची कॉस्ट पण काही खूप जास्त नाही आहे. The costs are mentioned in the video and also the links are mentioned in the description box below. If you like this saree, just you have to do is click on the link, go on the Myntra website and shop it for yourself. Next up is this beautiful cherry red crepe sari. This is from the brand All About You. इस पे lace work है. The lace is attached to the sari and it's a beautiful 6-yard sari. I am just loving the material of it. It looks beautiful on me. It fits perfectly well. It just enhances and elevates the shape of my body. So I really love this material. It's a very light crepe material. इसकी cost approximately is below 2000 only. So it is actually a good deal. I mean festivities भी आ रहे हैं, आपको ऑफिस में भी पहननी पड़ती है कई बार साड़ी. ट्रेडिशनल डे होता है, so you can just go for partying in this sari. You can dress this sari up or down as you like and you're just good to go for the festivities ahead. Next up is all-time favorite black color sari. This sari is from the brand Anok and again इस साड़ी पर मशीन एम्ब्रॉयडरी की गई है. पूरे साड़ी पर सीक्वेंस वर्क है and also this sari is below 2000 rupees. It's a good steal. I mean you can definitely dress this up or dress this down. You can pair this with ethnic blouse और इसके साथ ब्लाउज पीस भी दिया गया है जो कि सीक्वेंस वर्क का ब्लाउज पीस है. So you can just style this as you like. You can wear this as a party wear or you can wear this also for your Diwali function. आता तुमची मराठी मुलगी म्हणल्यावर मराठी ठसका तर दिसलाच पाहिजे की नाही. तर मराठी पैठणी इज व्हेरी फेमस ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. एव्हरीवन नोज अबाउट पैठणी आणि ही आहे मुनिया पैठणी बॉर्डर. अगेन बॉट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा. आय एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. This is into lime green color and look at the design and the color combination and the weaving here. The only difference is this is not pure silk. This is into mixed material. If you are looking for silk, there are a lot of other options as well available. But ये साड़ी in this price range is actually a good deal. I mean, I have styled it in a very traditional way because Paithani is my love. I love Paithanis. And when I saw this on Myntra, I knew I had to buy this one. So yeah, if you like it, the link is mentioned in the description box below. Next up is this beautiful Paithani. Again in a beautiful color. असा violet golden shade आहे. मिक्स धागा यूज केलेला आहे त्यांनी. ही फक्त 3500ची आहे. Little higher on the price range but worth it. 3000ला if you are getting a Paithani on Myntra, it's definitely a steal. Again, this is not pure silk. The look is as good as silk Paithani. So it's definitely worth it. I have styled it in a very traditional way. You can definitely style it in your own way and give it a nice look to it. आणि ही टिश्यू पैठणी असल्यामुळे खरं तर ह्याचा जो गोल्डन धूपछाव कलर तुम्हाला दिसतोय वॉयलेट अँड गोल्डन इज बिकॉज ऑफ द टिश्यू पैठणी पॅटर्न. आणि ह्याचा काठ सुद्धा प्युअर पैठणीसारखा दिलेला आहे इन अ वीविंग टेक्निक. So actually it resembles to the Paithani a lot. So if you are looking something like Paithani, this is a good deal for you. Now let's talk about the sari that I am wearing. तुम्हाला असं वाटत असेल की हिने नेसलेली साडी ही कुठली साडी आहे, ही कुठून घेतली आहे. तर ॲक्च्युली ही मी जी नेसलेली साडी आहे ही सुद्धा मी मिंत्रावरून मागवली आहे. आणि ह्याचा मटेरियल इज ऑल्सो जॉर्जेट. just fits best to your body shape, to your body type. It hugs your body so perfectly well and gives you a nice curve that is actually seen after you wear sari. So which gives you a nice, perfect, elegant look which you should get after wearing a sari. And also this sari has gota patti lace to it which gives you a nice ethnic look to it. खूप जास्त ओव्हरडू पण नाही आहे. मिनिमलिस्टिक पॅटर्न, छोटीशी बारीक क्यूटशी लेस लावलेली आहे सो दॅट आय कॅन स्टाईल इट अप और स्टाईल इट डाऊन ॲज आय फील लाईक. सो ही साडी मी ग्रीन हॉटनेक ब्लाउज बरोबर पेअर केलेली आहे. ग्रीन अँड पर्पल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑलवेज गोज हँड इन हँड. इट ऑलवेज लुक्स नाईस. इट्स नो ब्रेनर. आणि या यू कॅन ऑल्सो वेअर दिस साडी विथ अ ट्रेडिशनल ब्लाऊज आणि छान ट्रेडिशनल मेकअप करून यू कॅन फ्लॉन्ट युअर कर्व्स. सो ह्या पॅटर्नच्या साडीला लेहरिया पॅटर्न बोलतात. आणि ह्या लेसला सुद्धा फुल गोटा वर्क नाही आहे, गोटा विथ सिक्वेन्स आहे. मोस्ट ऑफ द साडी ज्या आपण बघितल्या त्याला पण सिक्वेन्स वर्क जास्त आहे विच गिव्स यू अ नाईस ब्लिंग ऑल्सो, नाईस ट्रेडिशनल अँड फेस्टिव्ह लुक ऑल्सो. It balances your looks and you can style them as you want. So these were the beautiful sari looks curated just for you guys. I hope you loved the vlog, and if you have, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe with your loved ones, with your family members and friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and keep watching my vlogs.